demonstrating the Brother AX600 word processor typewriter. The typewriter itself is portable, as you can see by the little handle. It folds on and back out of the way. On the back side, it has a compartment where the cord will be stored away. On the side here is an on and off button. I'll turn it on now for demonstration purposes. Here's a covering case. The case comes off that protects the keyboard and the little LCD display up here. You put the paper in. You can either do it by hand or it automatically will feed. To start it, there's a self-demo that'll go through the whole process of showing you how it works. You hit Alt and S. I'm going to type in my name because that's what it's asking for. And return. This is showing you how it goes through its process. As you can see, it works and it explains all the features in it, and we'll include that in whenever whoever buys it. Right now I'm going to stop it by shutting it off.